Hi guys, I'm Driz, and I'm here with another mod tutorial. But this time it's going to be on surface builders. So I'm basically just going through and trying to get as much of the biome stuff as possible, just because there's so much of it. And really, biomes are pretty cool. Making your own biomes is probably one of the coolest things. A lot of people want to add their own biomes, and so um, that's why I'm doing a lot of this. Essentially, when it comes to making a biome, it's pretty simple. It's just like registering everything else. You really only need three classes. One for your biome surface. So it basically controls what surface is going to be thrown out. And this another class that actually dictates what the surface is. So this what essentially is on the surface. So which blocks are within that surface. So there's three blocks that are being chosen, and I'm going to go through all of that and basically show you guys an example. I made a pretty cool example with a block I already created, plus a bunch of other different things, and I'm going to explain it, and hopefully you understand how this works. So this is done pretty much the same way as everything else. You need a Modbus subscriber. This is a registered event. You will be registering your surface builder the same as you would a feature. So you're registering your oh, it says biomes here for some reason. Whoops. All right. So you're going to be registering your surface just like you normally would. I'm writing it this way because I get a lot of errors with surface builders, and this keeps it from giving me errors. Basically, when I add more of them, it's basically it's helped me a lot. So I do it this way just because it's a lot easier, and it's pretty simple. You just call your surface up here, and it links itself to the test surface class, to the constructor of that class, and then this links itself to the registry for the purpose of this here and over here. Normally you would call iForge registry down here, dot register surface, so on. But I'm doing it this way over here. And you register your surface, and this is the surface name. The name is going to be registered to your mod name essentially. If you are getting an error, that means that you're not registering any surfaces, and that means you need a surface to register. So you should probably get rid of it. Um, we'll go to the surfaces first because it's probably the easiest to explain. Essentially, this calls your surface. This is what your surface actually is. So when you're calling the surface, you call it here, not, you do not call this. So this is what you'd be calling, and your surface actually consists of a surface builder config and these blocks. So there's three blocks, 1, 2, 3, and this is really it. And you can actually add like multiples. So to this one link, and you can call them all over here. So test surface 2, and then you can make a completely different test surface over here, and you can have as many as you want. There's really no limit. But just to show you, um, what I did is I made the blocks. You always need to get the default state on your blocks when you're calling your blocks. I chose to get my basic block, which is essentially just a cool looking square block, and I added lava and then furnaces. So if you're wondering why there's three blocks, what this is the top block, the block that's at the most top, and there's only one layer of that. And then what'll happen is there'll be three layers of your second block, whichever one you choose to be your second block. I chose lava, so there'll be three layers underneath that of lava. And then this is the block that's going to show up underneath water. So when there's a pool of water, underneath that water, there will be a furnace block, essentially. So the last thing that you need is a test service class, which extends service builder and then your service builder config. So what's great about this is first you need to deserialize it in your super like this, and then this is essentially your surface build. This is a required. This is required, so it'll automatically populate itself, and this is what chooses your surface builder. You can just put just the surface builder, and you choose build surface, surface builder.default.build surface, and then it'll come up. You put all of these options in here, and then this is your surface at the end here. I did it like this to show you that you can have it switch surfaces based on the height and the difference, the noise difference from the base. So like this says that if the noise is within a certain level, then it automatically puts the first one, and otherwise it'll put the other one. So that's really the whole point of this, is to show you that you can have multiple options, that you don't need to limit yourself to just one surface for any surface builder on its own. So your surface builder can do multiple things, and you can set different options to your surface builder. So if you can choose the second block, for example, from the top and have that one change. There's really a lot of options. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you how it looks. First, I'm going to show you that it is registering to give you an example, because it's important to see these things, to know that it's working properly. That's my feature, which still doesn't have the right name, but that's okay. So here we have test surface, test mod, test surface. It's the 12th surface. These are the other surfaces, as you can see. So it is registering. And here we have an actual example of the test surface. So this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and then stone. There you go. This is how it works. Isn't that amazing? So I did make a test biome for this. So if you do want to see how it looks in the actual surface builder, I can show you that as well. Or in the actual biome, I'm going to show you that right now. Or actually, I can't even show you this. Here, there you go. I forgot to show you. There we go. So that's my bad there. So as you can see here, there's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 there in the top block, just like that. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool how this works. So there's nothing on here. Like I said, I'm going to show you why. Let me close this down here. It's because I made my own surface here. And this is how you call the surface, just like this. Like I said, the surfaces is the one that you're calling my test surface. And it's basically just a normal biome, just like every other biome, just with my surface instead of the other one. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you have any questions, like I said, there's a modding community in the Discord below. And if you want to get a hold of me, you're more than welcome to join my Discord. My mod's called Grass World, and my mod's in the description as well. And please follow and subscribe. It does help, and it does encourage me to make more videos. And I will be making some more videos. My next video will probably be either about trees, or to be fair, I'm not 100% sure. But you know, this is where I had decided on making at least this many videos this week. So we'll see how it goes. And if you have any suggestions, please feel free to suggest them. So thanks a lot, guys, and have a great day.